Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Removing zeros from a numpy array can be a common operation in data processing and analysis. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to drop zeros from a numpy array, along with code examples. Tutorial: Dropping zeros from a numpy array. Step 1. Install numpy. If you haven't already, you need to install the numpy library. You can do this using pip. Step 2. Import numpy. To start using numpy, you need to import it into your Python script or interactive session. Step 3. Create a numpy array. You can create a numpy array using np.array. Here's an example array that contains some zeros. Step 4. Drop zeros. To drop zeros from the array, you can use boolean indexing. This involves creating a boolean mask that identifies the non-zero elements and then using that mask to filter the array. Full code example. Here is the complete code combining all the steps. Output. When you run the above code, the output will be. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to drop zeros from a numpy array using boolean indexing. This method is efficient and straightforward, allowing you to filter out unwanted elements easily. You can apply similar techniques to filter out other values or conditions as needed.